What's up, guys? This is my own residence, just doing some shiplap, so it's going to be really fast. Here you can see the multi-tool. I'm cutting back the baseboard so I can slip the shiplap behind it without ripping the baseboard off. Sanding all the moldings because from the shop they come pretty rough in the groove on shiplap. Snapping the first piece in. Got the laser so I can set the bottom row flush. Here's a stud finder. Just marking each stud so I can nail it, and then I'll follow the nail pattern all the way up on the boards. Here I'm marking the outlets, so I take them out and I flip them like that. Just take a scrap piece, make a mark, and then transfer it to the actual piece. Here I have the longer screws, and then the little ears of the electrical sit on top of the shiplap. Finish plates on, and we're good. So this is me and my wife. We're just going. We're going to stack row after row. Here's the side cuts. So I'm nailing them. It's taking long because I'm prepping them as I go. I prefer it this way because I don't like going back and prepping 1,000 nail holes. So we're kind of touch sanding and filling, and we use the pink putty that dries white. I think it's a DAP product actually. So same thing here. I'm doing both sides. Remember to move to the middle in a second right here, so same thing. We have shutters, so we cut them flush, but there's nothing too critical about these edges. Shutter actually sits inset on the window, so here we go. And of course my camera died before it got the last one, but here's an actual finished picture of it, guys. Just need some paint.